The entire planet sweltered to the unofficial hottest day in human record keeping, July 3rd, according to University of Maine scientists at the Climate Reanalyzer project. This comes as the United Nations Weather Agency officially declared an El Nino was underway. The average global temperature reached 17.01 degrees Celsius, surpassing the August 2016 record of 16.92 degrees Celsius as heat waves sizzled around the world. Calling it a death sentence for people and ecosystems, Frederick Otto, senior lecturer at the Grantham Institute for Climate Change and the Environment, said, "This is a milestone which the world should not be celebrating." Otto added that July 3rd is unlikely to remain the hottest day for long as global temperatures are expected to continue rising due to the El Nino weather phenomena. High temperature records were surpassed July 3rd and 4th in Quebec and northwestern Canada and Peru. Cities across the US, from Medford, Oregon to Tampa, Florida, have been hovering at all-time highs. Beijing reported 9 straight days last week when the temperature exceeded 35 degrees Celsius. And even Antarctica, currently in its winter, registered anomalously high temperatures. Ukraine's Vernadsky research base in the White Continent's Argentine islands recently broke its July temperature record with 8.7 degrees Celsius. This global record is preliminary, pending approval from gold standard climate measurement entities like the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Association, but it is an indication that climate change is reaching into uncharted territory. This average temperature may not seem that hot, but it is the first time in the 44 years of this data set that the temperature surpassed the 17 degrees Celsius mark. Hotter global average temperatures translate into brutal conditions for people all over the world. In the US, heat advisories are in effect this week for more than 30 million people in places including portions of western Oregon, inland far northern California, central New Mexico, Texas, Florida, and the coastal Carolinas, according to the National Weather Service Weather Prediction Center. Excessive heat warnings are continuously across southern Arizona and California. Prior to the onset of monsoon in India, which has led to significant drop in temperatures, heat waves caused many deaths in various parts of the country. Similarly, China has been battling with a severe heat wave and temperature records have recently been broken. A report by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change in March said that global temperatures are likely to rise by 1.5 degrees in the near future. The report also stated that global greenhouse gas emissions must be reduced to 60 degrees below 2019 levels by 2035. Meanwhile, UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres has earlier urged countries to phase out the use of fossil fuels. He previously said, "Our world needs climate action on all fronts, everything, everywhere, all at once."
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.